Hey guys, it's Tony. How you doing? I did want to release some new news on ADA, on Cardano. It does look like the smart contracts are officially out for Cardano, which is absolutely insane news for anybody that's actually holding ADA. As some of you guys know, ADA is one of my bigger positions, or one of my biggest positions in my portfolio. I think that the second one is Matic, and my third position I think is, I forgot what my third position was. Yeah, ADA releases smart contracts officially today. I think there's already I forgot what the company, but I think they already released smart contracts on the platform. But yeah, I just wanted to release the news. So far, everything is still pumping towards the upside pretty well. Ethereum is already at 31,500. It reached peaks of 32.35 just today, a couple of hours ago. So I mean, it looks like we are still headed towards the bullish side, but we gotta wait and see. We gotta keep looking at TA. I did release a TA on Ethereum, I think early today in the morning or yesterday, and I will be releasing another TA for ADA later today, and possibly another TA for Doggy, just to kind of see where we're headed and stuff. But I'll see you guys later. Really good news for Cardano, for ADA. So really looking forward to what price, if the price resembles the smart contract news. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.